Yo, check this out. This is Wayne Wonder, representing for Warwick LTV. You see the vision, don't it? See the vision. Warwick LTV. Keep it locked.
I'm gonna tell you. We, us as bloggers, these are the issues that we need to address. You understand what I say? You see? Set the bar for the youth. Share, like, and subscribe and stay tuned to the channel. I don't know all this. Yes, brothers and sisters. Greetings once again in the mighty name of His Imperial Majesty Emperor Haile Selassie I. And all things good and wonderful amongst us and about us. You see, I want to say welcome all viewers and subscribers. Viewers, if you like the content, subscribe and make a good platform. England I get back cool. Yeah. More big up the whole of Marines. Big up yourself, Dana Forrester. Big up yourself, Tati. Big up yourself, the whole crew. More big up Bushbury. More big up E-Town, Penfields, Pendeford. All of them places, the trampos, and no man ever. You know, no man ever send me a radar. No man never have no problem with me. No disrespect. You don't know. Enough love and honors. You see it. Yes, yeah, I have to say that. You see it. Saying, no, I man said that to say this. Realistically, because I talk to my English virgin them too. See, as well as a few Jamaicans. All of the Jamaicans them were there. And a few Jamaicans were there home. Not so much, I don't know the American system, education system set. You know, see it. But you see, we as black people, we definitely have a grievance with the education institution itself. I mean, I'm going to explain it. In a teach about ourselves, it's belittling to us when we take it in. And it's subliminally, we might cannot articulate with grievances, but subliminally we feel it and we know it. And that's what it was said. That's how it was said to affect us. In a subliminal manner where we can't, it's like say we can't complain, or even complain, it sounds like say, we don't know how we are complaining about, or like we just love chat. You know, see, but the facts are well, and up to this point, even university, I teach it like say, Greece build the Nile Valley and all that sort of sitting there and come teach we. You know what I say? It's confusing and it's unacceptable because it not add up. The narrative not add up and the brain, and that's how the brain work. The brain work with logics and facts, and it have to add up for the brain accept it and embrace it. You know, see, other than that, it will always be a struggle. See, now in some way it will work, you know. It will work when the lie benefit your nature, your ego. You understand? Like when it do for the white youth them. No disrespect to them because they're not responsible for the lie neither, you know. See, that's something where them grow come inherit and them have to live with it. And time after time, you don't know humanity and nature itself, how it's still. See, it rearrange itself. And people usually have to obey the nature, the natural mystic will flow through them. Seeing and logics as well. You know, say it. So when the knowledge come and the knowledge come out, seeing it is what it is. The truth is what it is, cause you know it's logical. Seeing particularly with the Egypt and the Greek argument. And then sort of argument, I don't lane them here go. See? But apart from that, my brothers and sisters, you see, we live in a system where it's set up, just like how I say, you have the institution that construct a way where for subliminally affect you. The system set up, you have every institution and them things that's set up a certain way. Where that's why a certain guy with certain intention, bigoted intention can go in and go manipulate it and do what they want. Once they manipulate it with us, manipulate us, use it and manipulate us, keep us down and, you know, and them sort of thing there because it's set the way it's set. However, it's education is the key, it's key. You understand me? It's like a man put a lock on a door and there's a special key for open it. See? In this case, it's education. It's a lie, it's a trick, but it open them system where you can get a look key in and then diplomatically you have to know yourself and know say, see, you who you is and what your reality is, your origins, your culture, and things like that. You see, we have to fight a battle and we still have to exist and we have to arm ourselves. See? So, I advise all youth Rasta, suck it in, embrace it, and deal with it for your benefit. Use it as a way for uplift I and I as a people. You know your truth, you know. Seeing, but you use a key. The key for opening your door. You're not connected to you spiritually, emotionally, or nothing like that. It's just a tool, my brother and sister. It's just a tool where you use. You can last it too and go, get another, take off the lock, that shit and then start sitting there. You see, just a tool. See? And I saw the easiest way and the best way to get a look in where we probably can change that lock there and have a new key and them sort of something there. I hope they them catch me drift. It no matter where the man them they road that do. It no matter what. As long as I'm not killing one another, because I don't respect no black man who are killing no black man, you know. I don't respect that. Nah. That's why I have so much, you know, disgust for Wagwan and distaste for Wagwan in Jamaica these days because I be a black man down there kill one another. And the thing is, a matter of fact, worldwide anyway, go black man have an inclination to kill nobody else except themselves, except them one another. We hate ourselves for one another more than, you know, I never say more than other people hate us, but we do the duties, the ultimate duties where other people who hate us and cannot do. We do it to ourselves more than they do. Come on. And that's the reality. And that's something we don't have to do because really and truly, you know, right now if me say a youth, a 20-year-old youth and them way there and him, you know, size me up and thing like that. All when him wrong, me I walk away. Me not want a confrontation there. In fact, so well, me not what me I do? Take a punch down and say, me take a punch down from my right. No, walk away with you in your ignorance and them sort of things. So it can be done. See? It can be done. So at the same way, I would deal with a man my age and my, well, so watch a man. Yeah, you're a big man, ignorance that, you know. I mean, I tell you straight, you know. See, and the way I can kill one another and beat up one another. I'm not going to that with you. I'm not going to make you beat me up. They don't make it look like say, me I'm going to beat you up or me can beat you up. I just hear that and walk away and just know, say, yeah, I saw it go Rasta. You know, see? See, so whether a man want to take that advice, yes or no, I just show you that logic so that exists and it is what it is. We can't change that. You know, see? So, with that saying, we can help each other rather than feel like say destroying each other is a way of you know what I say, for be a man. You see, we're more manly if we you know stand up for one another, help up our brother and them sort of something there. Cause when they check it out, you know, we show more, you know, like we show more hate for ourselves than anybody else. See? And when in saying that, it's not just helping the eye themselves, or the ones around them. See? Particularly in Britain. Every black youth in Britain, a superstar, a superpower black youth. Every one of them. The least of the least when you say I walk through whatever garrison them want. Say, boy, with Marines, you know, Penfield. Anyway. You see, we can call man name. I don't want to do that still. You don't know. But every youth a star. Every youth have the ability more than it's at this point when you get time for rebel against his parents and say no wow, but with no academics and them sort of thing they again. By the time him reach to that, by the time you reach to that stage, youth, you're far more advanced. Far, far advanced. If the step of them and the so-called gangster them at Jamaica could avail the level of academic intelligence where the eye possess, them wouldn't go down the route there. Enough of them would have turned police and soldier. You know, see, no disrespect. See, enough of them would have look some job, some different type of job. Again, enough of them would have been able to address or articulate them worries and organize against it, if you understand what I say. You know, see, so, yeah, that's a I and I input, that's a I and I observation with the I them. And I'm a know, say, like I say, I'm an identify, I'm a know the issue, see, educate the institution them, and the education, the academic settings, it no conducive to I and I nature and I and I spirit, because subliminally it attack down to I, and we know that. You just see, but watch out. We are going, we are just, all right, cool. Yeah, go on do it. So we are, so we're not business. Yeah, open that door, yeah, got you. You see, yeah, come to 8 town. See, Rings, we are dealing. Yeah, see, and by check it out, we are service the economy. The economy is service, we are manipulated, we in control. Them type of something. You know, see it when a guy ready for yeah. Jamaica. You see, all of the man them, we go so boop and make a money, Rasta. Cause we know it stay down there. Down there is different. See, this is my reason, still a reason with the British youth. I mean, it's different at Jamaica. Because now the thing, even though it's oppressive, and the same thing like up here, you know, it is discriminative. As much as Jamaica, the population is predominantly black. It's at the same education, at the same sort of stupidity. And it's being accepted and observed and embraced. You know what I say? See, so I feel now, not no change, not different. You know, see, but still, so I might still say, the problem with it is that it costs, the cost feet down there from basic school. This is from primary school, from reception. Because of reception up here, because the youth them will understand more. From reception, Rasta, you have to have a arm and a leg a fork out that every day. Me see a man put a video upon a woman the other day on social media where me see she a thief a school bag. You know, say I should have copied that video there and share it. Yes. Well done, mama. It's a school bag, you thief. I mean, no, you have to thief that. You need to thief that. Thief it. You pick me for that school. That is something where you thief, not for you. Where you do with a school bag. And I feel I want, as a child, respect mama. Because I know if you could have buy that and walk out gone, big and proud. No, I'm sorry, I never thief the video still and share it with the eye them. But respect mama is a school bag thief, not business, but I pay for it for you. I wouldn't disgrace you for that. All the guy where I showed that on camera. I hear that. I saw them stay. You see, because it's well expensive. People have, you see, for educate one child to adulthood at Jamaica, you know, me general, me I tell you, say, it's like, why? Me in Jano, come to think of it, Rasta, a superwoman them there. The mother and the father them, you know, the father them will involve themselves, super people them, super power. You know, see it? No, you see the man them, especially the DJ them, go some and sell 2 tunes and make 2. You know what I say? So make some money and still a walk and a chat them done stark yeah, and can't read and can't handle himself and can't deal with it, can't even, you don't even look on it so well, then you start a business, you start a big brand. And you need to know what go on with the ins and outs of it. Not because you can hire people who learn that academically, you know, and they can deal with it for you. That no means say you, oh that work. You know, sit down there and act blind way to get screw face can stop people from rob you. No. And then people are rob you and you can't get back nothing because you don't even know how to try to retrieve that. You know, see. If you didn't even have a bitter, if you didn't even have a level, you could have prevented the robbery from going even before it happened, Rasta. You know, see it? And then you know, run round and talk about, you know, the lyrics, them you know, advise people how to live for them life, and how to, and I ridicule people who act dunce like, like this is the way forward. them thing are not acceptable, Rasta. Them thing are stupidity right across the world. You see, you can always create like a slang term and them little thing there amongst us in our ignorance. Down a yard there. But when them thing there come abroad, Rasta, come on, man. The eye them low. Low. You know, see, no for uno can't read and write. No for uno can't declare no small pocket full of money. Where that I go? How that I go? Uno have no own a bill, we not talk, said, alright. Uno have some guy now, some lucky guy. But them some white boy and they say do that, you know. Mark Zuckerberg and Steve Jobs them and some guy will jump up and talk, oh, we don't need college, we don't need education to become a rich. Us, you know, dirty boy, go find yourself. A fool don't check with people and found out coming there and go tell fool no pick them that, but never draw a fool no pick out of school. Eh? You cannot take no pick out of school. And watch out. You know have billions of dollars with them, they nothing, them can dance for the rest of them life, car and people, you know see. So they not draw them out of school as much as they not talk like that. You know see, no one of them argument they exist and dwell amongst my people. You know see it, you have to have them secret. It's a diplomatic secret, diplomatic badness. Then, you know see, you gather intelligence to move forward so that they can counter that which oppress you. You know see it, a cycle, my brother and sister. You know see it, and them glamorize this thing here. Where them, you know me I say, I'm prison way. I feel them have we a refill prison, so that's the prison industry can survive. How long we are gonna fall in them trap and continue with a stream the Rasta? It no fear, but your grandmother, cause your grandmother wasn't charmed by them sort of nastiness there. Your grandmother will already down in the ground straight and go on because she knows say her grandson I go come be an executive. Now the grandson have the ability and the access based on the struggle where grandma fight Rasta and waste it. And you know me I say, I mean, no, I see them subliminal message and coding cause I you them to start look down upon them level diplomacy there, diplomatic badness there, diplomatic militancy there. You know, see it? Yeah, British youth them me attack, my brother and sister them boy. You know, see it? Let me understand, I see it every day. You know, see it? But when it comes to Jamaica, now Rasta and the DJ, them are the little youth, them are whoever. We are going with them thing and are going with themselves and not have resource. Come in a certain resource where a little percentage of that resource go towards the medication and it enable them to even multiply that resource even more. You know, see it? So I man not accept them thing there and we can't go on like we want. And ask them sort of something there and what Rasta? No, at least you're supposed to can you're supposed to can explain what really your ailment. You know see, and yeah, you're supposed to can put it in our words. You know so what go on, Rasta. When a politician them a campaign for election. You don't understand everything what them say. But when them a read them budget, you can't understand nothing what them a say. And that's the trick there. Now if you could understand the trick, we are going there so Rasta we could stop it now the board right there so. Because hey, power. You see power every boy want that. And the next thing we do is anything for maintain that. Including satisfy you or even pacify. You know, for even part, even split the thing down in the middle and create a balance because in order for him the way him there, you need you. You know, see? So education is key and stop follow some boy where them brain get clouded with some papers where them don't know how to keep. Which one of our DJ them you see? You know, get all and rich. No respect to Charlie Chaplin. You know, see, me not say him rich, but him did have a strategy and a tactics. And that's going to be my next video. You know, see it, but the man them in the business will grasp certain knowledge intelligently about how the craft work and I live with it and not teach the new youth them nothing and expect the youth them to show them a certain level of respect. There is no music academy in Jamaica. None of the top artists them not go so up and buy a little piece of place and build up a thing where part of it is a studio, part of it is a band sitting where play music and all of them thing there. None of them don't have them inside there because them dons. And them embrace the dunceness because them can feed them belly today. Not even them they even have the insight to see them own a future tomorrow. If you know, say this is a legacy, not just a legacy. A earner Rasta we are bringing more benefits. Not and you don't really see that a go on. You see a man go out and say, he might like team up with some other bad DJ and call himself a crew. But where that I go? A man do that because it's beneficial to him as well. He not do that because he might benefit some new youth or some little youth we just... No, it's beneficial to him and for him belly and him pocket at the time. So all of them sort of selfishness they are going. And we don't see no influencer. We don't see no body a try input that na the youth them sturdily, robustly. Because them that's something nothing left off with, nothing left out of the argument, out of the conversation in at all. Education, Rasta. That's why all the government can low and do what it want to do. You see it intentionally and avoid us and all them sort of something there. You see, cause we no respect it, no worry nothing. You see it, and nobody now asks them sort of demands them something there because at the end of the day it's like it's the last thing pan the man them with a platform, the man them with a mic, the man them with can talk, the man them with have a voice. Last thing pan them mind. I don't know if them become part of the conspiracy. You see it, and probably it's this nature where for some boy. As long as I'm better than somebody, hey, yeah, that's it. A man can't have, let me see, yeah, let me say, I grow youth were far better off and far more proficient academically and, me I say, in a society than I, right now, yeah, can't point on them. Matter of fact, can't point right in my family, right, yes, see, and can't point outside of my family, see, nobody no stay, yeah, I might think that. And I feel like, less selfishness and more focus on the future. And you look on how the Chinese them do it. See it. Right now, the Chinese them a living example in front of we, The Chinese them a work like slave in the sweatshop them, And I make the government a collect feed big portion of the money to build up the Chinese, build up China. So that's China can take care of the youth, them we come up, treat them better than all them sweatshop people here work. And say them, yeah, them make the sacrifice so that's the children we are born come after them. Come live better. We selfishly and wickedly not care about that. It's just us and our belly today. And it's unfair. Nobody, it's not unfair. It's unwise. Nobody else. We never see that work yet for nobody else, Rasta. That no work for people. That no work, developing society and them sort of thing there. See, education is key. And it is the key if you open them society, if you open up them Pandora box. You see, and that way I say. Enough respect to E-Town, enough respect to Whitmarines, my place, Penfield, Pendeford, and all around. You see, you don't know. Love no youth and youth. Enough respect. Bushbury, you see. No man never. Every man just yes, me love how the youth them did me. I'm not telling a lie. I man give thanks. Give thanks, yeah. So I can't be them use a box food to come hurt me. No. Box food money. Because them youth have Benz and Range Rover them youth have as leisure where them gone. You see it? Yeah. You can't tell them youth and stupidity. Yeah. And I give thanks still. Mighty name of His Imperial Majesty Emperor Haile Selassie I, Rastafari.